Hello. Radio Flyer not only makes wagons, they also make bikes. This is their bike. Gotta have my chair. Time flies, enjoy the ride. I like that, I do. Gonna unbox it, see what's in it. I mean, of course I know there's a bike in it, but you know what I mean. I just open up the box. Everything looks nice and tidy, wrapped up, all good. I got one box, another small box. See if you can see it. Okay. Oh, I can tell it's red. We're matching the wagon design. The first small box is the charger. You're gonna wanna plug this in to charge the bike. If you didn't, you're just gonna have a bike, not an e-bike. There's some free information for you. The second box, there's the pedals, the front and rear reflectors, bag of tools, the headlight, and the owner's manual. Okay, I'm just gonna unwrap this whole thing, put it together, and then show you some stuff. Okay guys, this is the bike all put together. I'm liking that design. That coloring is pretty awesome. Got 2 keys, so you can take this battery out. Really liking that coloring. That is a good looking bike. Got a turny derailleur, well-go pedals, nice long skinny rack. Kickstand is dual, so it actually pops up either wheel, front or the back, depending on which way it's leaning. The rear fender's installed with the tail light. The front one you have to install. I'm not sure what size of motor that is. If I had to guess, 500 watts. Big old chonky grips. Wow, those things are huge. LCD screen on the left side, 5 pedal assist levels, Tektro mechanical brakes, 7-speed SIS index. Can adjust the handlebars with an Allen wrench, increase or decrease the cockpit area, also raises them up higher. Big old fatty road tires, quick release in the front wheel, half twist throttle on the right side. All right, so that's the unboxing and assembly of the Flyer. I'll have the full review out in about a week and a half, so stay tuned for that.